Alright, so I started it off with priming my face, and now I'm just taking a spoolie and brushing the hairs upwards in my eyebrows, just to make them lay nicely. And then I'm taking this gel and powder, 2-in-1, and just filling in my brows with that. And I just take my time doing this. And I also like to bring the fronts of my brows together, or closer to the bridge of my nose, just so it kind of gives it like a slimming effect. And now I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Pure Beige, and I'm just cleaning up under my brows with that. It looks crazy right now, but once I clean it up, it will look much better. And then I'm just taking my finger to warm up the product and blend it out. And now I'm taking LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn, and I'm gonna put that above my eyebrows to clean it up, and in between them, just to not have like such harsh lines in the front of my brows. And I'm taking my finger to blend that out as well. And I'm going to be using a little of the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. This actually helps like you blend the product better, especially if you have dry skin. So I highly recommend using whatever setting spray you have to help you blend out your product. And that. Alright, and now I'm taking my J-Cat Beauty Banana Setting Powder, just to set the areas where I get the most oily on top of the primer. So around my mouth I get really oily, and the product breaks up there first, under my eyes, and then I'm putting a little on my forehead and my nose because I get really oily on my nose. And now I'm taking the LA Girl Orange Corrector just to cover up the dark marks on my face. So I around my mouth, under my bottom lip, on my chin, under my eyes, just anywhere I have dark marks, because the orange corrector will cancel out the darkness. Alright, and I'm just taking my finger and blending that out. Dab. And now I'm taking some more of the J-Cat Beauty Banana Setting Powder, and I'm just going to set the places where I color corrected, just so it doesn't move around under my foundation. And now I'm taking my Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm taking the color you saw there, and I'm just going to use my finger to apply that to my lids and blending it out with my finger, just because I'm using one color. So, and now I'm taking, I didn't put it in the video, but taking the Ordinary foundation in 3.0 Y and blending out with my fingers, just because it's easier to me, and it warms up the product and just makes everything look really seamless and flawless. And now I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Pure Beige again, and just highlighting the high points of my face. And then I'm going to mix that with Fawn to get the perfect highlight color for me. So I'm highlighting under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow. And I'm just taking some more of the NYX setting spray to help me blend out the concealer. And for the final time, I'm taking some more of that setting powder and just setting all the areas that I just highlighted, just to make sure it stays in place. And then I take a little setting powder and just go under my cheekbones before I contour, just to make it a little sharper. And then I'm going to take the Ruby Kisses contour kit. It's a powder one, and I'm just taking the banana shade and putting a little under my eyes, and then I'm going to contour with the two shades you saw there. Then I bring it on my cheekbones. I do contour my nose a little bit and like the sides of my chin, just to bring in my face a little more. And I'm just curling my lashes so I can apply mascara. I do a couple of coats of that. And then I'm taking another mascara just to do my bottom lashes. And I do a few coats on those too. And then I'm just going to set everything in place with some more NYX matte finish setting spray. And now I'm going to take this highlighting palette and I'm going to highlight my cheekbones, my nose, my cupid's bow, my forehead, and above my eyebrows, and under them. And then I'm just going to take some eyeliner from Physicians Formula and line my eyes. And I'm going to do winged liner. And then I'm just going to take this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Berlin, and I'm going to put that, I'm going to kind of line with it and just keep it on the outside because I'm going to put another color in the center. And then I'm going to use another soft matte lip cream from NYX in Cairo, and I'm going to put that in the center and then just blend everything together with my finger and by pressing my lips together. Alright, that's the finished look. Thanks for watching.